Assalamualaikum, Attorney Abbas muli at welcome sa Law and Crime Daily. Can the PNP or the government insist on the autopsy of a particular remains over the objection of the family? Bago natin sagutin yan, shout out muna sa ating kaibigan Police Colonel Anthony C. Gantang, ang COP ng San Juan Police. Ayon po sa Section 95 ng PD 856, ito ang mga circumstances kung kailan magsasagawa ng autopsy. Number 1, whenever required by special laws. Second, upon orders of a competent court, a mayor, and a provincial or city fiscal. Third, upon written request of police authorities. Fourth, whenever the Solicitor General, provincial or city fiscal, as authorized by existing laws, shall deem it necessary to decenter and take possession of remains for examination to determine the cause of death. And lastly, whenever the nearest kin shall request in writing from the authorities concerned to ascertain the cause of death. Sa makatuwid, kung wala sa lima na yon, hindi pwedeng ipilit ang autopsy. Kung ayaw ng relatives ng namatay, pwede ang court o ang PNP upon written request. Doon po sa case ng yumaong Yusek Cabral, initially the family refused to conduct the autopsy, but eventually the husband agreed to the autopsy ayon po sa naiulat sa balita. But even assuming na hindi nag-agree ang family, pwede pa rin mag-conduct ng autopsy ang PNP kung sila ay nag-request or by virtue of a court order. May natutunan ka na naman ba ngayong araw? I-like, i-follow, at i-comment ang inyong tanong.